beautiful city in Haridwar district located near the banks of Ganga Canal, welcome to Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee. Asia's first technical institution, IIT Roorkee, is known for its special blend of modern life and traditional values. Located at the foothills of Himalayas, it offers the most beautiful and lush green campus which is full of life and energy. So come, let's become a part of the legacy which is more than 150 years old.
Situated at the heart of campus is the James Thomson Building, the gem in the crown of IIT Roorkee. It is an architectural wonder whose beauty and aura are further glistened by the well-maintained lawns in front of it.
According to me, the library is the most peaceful and inspiring place in the campus, but not during the SEM exam, as it gets filled with relatively huge crowd of last-minute crammers.
IIT Roorkee provides a liberal branch change policy applicable right after the first semester. Extra 10% vacant seats are created in branch which are filled completely on merit basis. Students with All India rank under 300 will be awarded with a James Thomson Scholarship of Rs 25,000 per month for their entire stay at IIT Roorkee. Students can opt for minor degree in any department irrespective of their own branch and can also learn extra courses of any department they like. We have a student mentorship program that aims to foster healthy senior-junior interaction to make transition into campus life easier for freshers.
The hostel buildings are the institute's legacy. They serve both as a reminder of its glorious past and a witness of its current evolution. Each hostel is also fully Wi-Fi connected and equipped with state-of-the-art facilities managed by its own residents.
The institute has two main lecture halls, both conveniently located near the central library. The new lecture hall complex is a 4-story building which boasts for satisfactorily designed air-conditioned halls with multiple projectors.
What began as a World War II apron hangar is now the largest auditorium in the institute. This is the place where it all starts. Being home to the orientation program of Freshies, it hosts many other cultural events and is completely packed during the fests.
One of the newer additions to the campus, the Multi-Activity Center, does justice to its name. It hosts the offices of Cognizance, Thomso, HEC, and several other campus groups. While the lower section boasts computer shops, cafes, and an open auditorium, the upper section is alive by the sound of tapping feet and manic singing practices.
Institute is home to several cultural groups like music, dramatics, choreography, cinematography, lights, audio, fine arts, and the SPICMAK Roorkee chapter. It hosts multiple learning opportunities for the IITR Janta and hosts a number of wonderful shows like Dhun, Pehla Nasha, Jashn, Srishti, and a number of Nukkad Nataks and theatre shows.
Some of the recent technical achievements of the campus include IIT Roorkee stood overall runners-up with maximum 5 golds in Inter-IIT Tech Meet 2018. Team Snap won the Ericsson Innovation Challenge 2017 and Team Phoenix won the Schneider Go Green Initiative 2017. Team Triangulation of IITR topped among the IITs by securing a world rank of 68 at the World Finals of ACM ICPC 2018. The open source development culture of IITR is ever increasing, as evident from the number of GSOC selections, 18 last year and 35 this year. Information security team of IITR is undoubtedly the best team in India that has performed at both national and international levels.
Thomso, a 3-day extravaganza which attracts a footfall of nearly 30,000 people. Filled with enthralling performances from pop stars to glamour-filled events like Vogue and Campus Princess, Thomso has it all. In the spring semester, the campus is buzzing with technical activities in preparation for heralding Cognizance, the annual technical fest which plays a host to a plethora of events, several exquisite exhibitions, noteworthy guest talks, pedagogic workshops, and ecstatic pro nights. Tinkering Lab. Just as the name suggests, this place was designed for students to tinker with ideas. It was developed with the grand vision of inculcating the culture of entrepreneurship across the campus. The lab produces top-notch facilities for product design and development using 3D printing and other facilities.
IIT Roorkee has a rich sporting legacy and it takes every measure to respect it, with a well-developed sporting complex which houses facilities for 14 sports, including but not limited to basketball, boating, badminton, squash. Affirming these principles, the campus also plays host to Sangram, the annual sports fest which attracts competition from nearly every major institute in northern India. The weeks leading up to Sangram are filled with ardent passion being displayed by both the players and students who turn out in support of their friends.
The Student Technical Council is one of the busiest places on campus, home to a variety of technical enthusiasts, whether you want to build, code, or be part of the next Robocon winning team, or rather just stare at the stars. This is the place to be.
The institute also houses a computer center to fulfill the computational need of students and faculties. Apart from being one of the many places to work in Keys, it is also the e-center of the institute's dense and powerful internet network. Keeping up with expectation of a prestigious technical institution, the campus is going to be completely Wi-Fi enabled by the next academic year.
This year, students had 850 placement offers, including 150 pre-placement offers in phase 1 of placement season itself. Top-notch companies like Goldman Sachs, Bain, Uber, Microsoft, Tower Research, ITC, and many others have been hiring from IIT Roorkee for past many years now.
TIDES is one of the leading incubators in the country, promoting entrepreneurship and creative ideas to transform projects, education and research into successful business opportunities.
The 365-acre campus is not only home to one of the premier engineering institutes in the country, but also to one of the forerunners, shaping the nation's management sphere. Frequently listed among the top 10 management institutes in the country, the Department of Management Studies IIT Roorkee is a management institute with a singular goal in mind.
There are over a half dozen cafeterias in the campus. This is where you can primarily find students of the campus pestering their seniors for chapos, the Insti slang for parties.
There are several places in the campus such as MAG, Bhavan Lounges and the Students Club which are equipped with pool, snooker, carom and foosball tables for the students to take a break.
IIT Roorkee has a very modern culture for the youth, where boys and girls can visit common areas of each other's hostel. It also includes 24/7 access to eating outlets, libraries,